The Digital Measurement Reporting and Verification Framework provides a standard way of creating high-quality ecological digital assets like carbon removal credits. As a result, these credits have the properties and behaviors to streamline the creation of supply and address current market limitations. Credits that originate from the framework have a fully transparent lineage and are consistent with each other to help establish open market access and increasing buyer confidence. The framework establishes a common lifecycle process, a combination of 3 standards designed to work together, along with 3 clearly defined roles that collaborate using this composed process to establish consistency and simplify the creation of credits. The framework process is a combination of a shared general process or workflow standard that is followed by all participants, a shared general data standard used by this shared process, and a quality standard that is specific to the project type. The 3 participating roles in the framework are the issuing registry, a certified verifier, and an ecological project like a carbon removal project. The framework is modular, allowing the quality standard to be interchangeable based on a project's activity type, meaning that the selection of the quality standard for the process determines the participants in the registry and verifier roles. This allows for the owner or developers of an ecological project to establish a quality standard that supports their activity, but use the same process and data standard as all the other participants in the ecosystem. Thus, a project performing carbon capture and storage would select one quality standard, or a forestry project would select another, but both projects would follow the same process, shared data standard, and can operate on the same network. Let's see how it works with carbon removal credits as an example. First, stakeholders seamlessly connect to the network following a simple one-time role-based setup, which allows them to engage in their role's activities in the lifecycle of the carbon removal credit. Project developers establish their project details, then select a quality standard and a certified verifier to establish the supply chain for the credits on the network. The project then begins to collect evidence based on the quality standard, measuring carbon captured as well as the carbon emitted during the process of capturing it. This evidence is submitted periodically as a checkpoint for their claim of carbon removal. The claim is built throughout the carbon removal activity, with evidence being cryptographically secured so that its provenance and authenticity are guaranteed. Once the carbon removal activity is complete, the claim is automatically submitted for verification on the network and picked up by the verifier for processing. The verifier locks the submitted claim so that no other verifier will be able to process it. The framework then provides all the evidence with its chain of custody and authenticity automatically established to the verifier for the data to be processed. Once validation and verification are complete, the verifier creates a processed claim, and the original submitted claim is retired and cannot be verified again. The process claim provides a detailed report as to the total quantity of carbon removed, along with all the attributes or properties that differentiate the processed claim. For example, the process claim will include properties for the total amount of carbon removed and the durability of the removal, indicating the term of sequestration, risk of reversal, as well as how any reversal is mitigated. Other properties may include co-benefits that would map to the UN sustainability goals, etc. The issuing registry is automatically notified of the processed claim and begins the final quality and compliance checks for the credit to be issued. Once complete, the carbon removal credit is issued to the project and the process claim is retired, preventing it from being credited more than once. The byproduct that the Digital Measurement Reporting and Verification Framework creates is an in-depth, transparent, fully traceable record of provenance, providing detailed evidence that has been independently verified and attested to. This results in a high-quality carbon removal credit built with highly trusted and verified data. Now, the developer or owner of the carbon credit can choose from several different distribution options like marketplaces or exchanges to sell their credits. And since this process is digital end-to-end and can be fully automated, it can continue to operate, providing a steady stream of high-quality carbon removal credits to the market.